Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef NelSazon, and today I'm making some grilled cheese deluxe sandwiches. This recipe includes thick sliced brioche bread, olives, Swiss cheese, butter, sharp cheddar cheese, and sour cream. Get a cast iron pan and turn on the stove to high heat and let the butter melt because it's time for the butter and cheese to play a little game. It's called melting on the bread. Before we grill this sandwich, let's slather some sour cream on one side of the bread. Sour cream can spread more evenly than butter, ensuring a more uniform browning of the bread. After slathering the sour cream on the bread, grill it up with the Swiss and cheddar cheese. Grab that cheddar block and grate it up. After you have shredded the cheddar cheese, splash a little bit of water in the pan and cover it up. Adding a bit of water to the pan and covering it up for 2 minutes creates steam, which helps melt the cheese more evenly and quickly. Now that the first layer of the grilled cheese deluxe sandwich is ready, it's time for the second layer. We're basically repeating the process as we did before. But remember, when you're cooking your grilled cheese deluxe sandwich, cook it facing the side with the sour cream on top. I'm repeating the process so I can make this grilled cheese deluxe sandwich cheesy and because that's my thing. I remember every day after school in elementary school or on the weekends, I would just want a grilled cheese sandwich. That was just one of my favorite lunches. Once the entire process is done, it is time to put the layers together and stack them. Now that we have finished cooking the sandwich, it is time to cut it into slices and take 2 toothpicks for the olives and finish it off. For your information, this is optional, but if you want this to be considered a grilled cheese deluxe sandwich, you have to add olives. If you don't want olives on this sandwich, or don't like olives in general, you are tripping. If you're wondering how to say grilled cheese deluxe sandwich in Spanish, it's sandwich de queso a la parrilla deluxe. Alright, it's time for the moment of truth. I'm gonna taste it now and I won't cap. This cheese pull is the ultimate comfort food experience. Showcases the gooey, melted cheese stretching between the two halves of the sandwich. This is a perfect blend of crispy buttery bread and rich gooey cheese, offering a satisfying and savory crunch. Yo quiero queso, ya hice mi elección. Te amo más que cualquier otro. Mejor me voy haciendo otro. Queso, 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 queso de la parrilla deluxe, mi preferido. Alright guys, don't mind me. I'm gonna watch some try not to laugh videos and try not to laugh. Trust me, I suck at try not to laugh videos. But thanks for watching and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.